as I like to point out, that my period in studying, I believe now it is to be aware that the Messiah is here. I want the whole world to know that the Messiah is here, and for the Messiah to be here is that every Jew is the Messiah. I declare it that every Jew is the Messiah. There is no doubt that in my mind that the Messiah is in between all of them. The sparks of holiness which can be created through darkness to shine the light, to enlighten those around us. That Israel was always classed as the moon because we are the majority. We are not the sun, we are always the majority, majority, and etc. As I'm confirming that I'm believing, and I am all for, and let Hashem, let God be my judge. We have broken every commandment in the books since Moses. We have lied, we have stolen, we have committed adultery, we have done everything. We have done everything, but yet the Torah is still pure and we still follow it. But we have conducted ourselves in mischief and etc. And you can go on, and sometimes we've had to do it for reasons for to save ourselves, livelihood. This it has been known, so man can never pull the wool over my eyes in anything where it has to be said. But the main thing is what we are doing is that we're striving for a dwelling place for Hashem, a dwelling place for Hashem, a godly place where there only can be good and better. And for me to confirm now that I declared that the Messiah is here, and as the Messiah I declared that every Jew is the Messiah. That is the soul of everyone. Connection, like ants to be connected as one, will be strength in unity. Strength. You break an arrow, it is single. You have a load, you break, you cannot break. Brothers and sisters of the Jews, we must unite. And also I have no problem whatsoever in anybody who wishes to convert. It says in the Talmud that anybody who wishes to convert, that we should let them. We should let them. I know Judah says I had this faith, this and that, but I believe that everybody is descendants from Abraham and Sarah, as the great Rabbi of the Lubavitch said that they're all descendants from Abraham and Sarah. So if anybody, I have no objection, because I believe that you also hold a godly spark, the soul. But I would like to say that for the temple to be built, that we must all unite together. We do not need to wait for the man with the long hair off the cross or on the white horse and Muhammad and this, that. No, I believe the Messiah is in every Jewish person. Every Jewish person is special, and that reason why we was exiled is because we was not united. And I believe if we are all the Messiah, that each and every Jew is no better than the next, but they are the Messiah. I believe that the temple can be rebuilt, and that at the timing for the God's dwelling place would be better, would be good and better, as the Jews were chosen to be the ones to be the lamplighters to enlighten those around us. I have no problem in the conversion in the rank. They're the king back in the time of the Ashkenazis, Chazmas, and he had a Jew, he had a Muslim, and he had a Christian, and he listened to all three. And then he concluded he wanted to be Jewish, and he wanted his whole kingdom to be Jewish. So by that he lifted his sword and made them all Jews, going back generation to generation. So I believe that sometimes you need that to await that holiness and the spark within. I believe there is no problem now from what happened then. At the end of the day, we almost carry the soul, and it's the Messiah for us all to stand together as one. And I just like to conclude with you on that the Messiah Jew is a Jew for all, and he represents the Messiah. Thank you.